In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post on CapCut. Whether you're perfecting a short clip for social media or creating a polished video project, CapCut makes video editing accessible and easy for everyone. But once your edits are complete, knowing how to finalize, export, and share your video is essential to ensure your content looks its best. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, from reviewing your edits to posting your finished video online. If you're new to CapCut, now's a great time to get started. And if you don't have an account yet, you can use the link in the description to sign up and download the app. Let's begin with finalizing your edits. Before you export your video, it's important to review all the changes you've made in your CapCut project. Take a moment to carefully check your captions for accuracy. Are there any typos or timing issues? Captions can make your video more engaging, so it's worth perfecting them. Next, watch your video to ensure all transitions between clips are smooth and visually appealing. Transitions help maintain a professional flow, and this final check can catch anything that feels abrupt. Lastly, listen closely to the music or any audio you've added. Make sure it aligns perfectly with your footage, enhancing the mood rather than distracting from it. This is your last opportunity to make adjustments that can elevate the overall quality of your video, so take your time with this step. Now let's move on to exporting your video. Once you're happy with your edits, tap the Export button. In CapCut, this is usually represented by an upward arrow icon located in the top right corner of the screen. This step is what converts your project into a finished video file ready to be shared. After tapping Export, you'll see a settings menu where you can adjust the quality of your video. Let's go through these options together. First, choose the resolution for your video. This determines how sharp and clear the visuals will look. For most projects, 1080p is a great choice for high-definition clarity. If you want even sharper visuals, especially for larger screens, you can select 4K. Just keep in mind that higher resolutions will increase the file size of your video. Next, you'll want to choose the frame rate. The frame rate affects how smooth the motion in your video appears. For standard videos, 30 frames per second is perfectly fine. But if you're working with fast action shots or want an ultra-smooth look, go for 60 frames per second. Finally, adjust the quality or bitrate slider. Higher quality settings will give you more detail in the video, but again, this can result in a larger file size. If you're unsure, the default settings suggested by CapCut are generally a safe bet. For most social media platforms, 1080p at 30 frames per second works perfectly. After finalizing your settings, press the Export or Save button to begin rendering the video. Rendering is the process where all your edits, effects, and settings come together to create the final video file. Depending on your device and the length of your video, rendering might take a few moments or several minutes, so be patient. Once the rendering is complete, your video will be saved automatically, usually to your phone's camera roll or a designated folder on your computer. If you don't see it right away, check your file storage settings to locate it. Now that your video is ready, let's talk about posting it online. CapCut often provides quick share options immediately after exporting. These shortcuts allow you to open apps like TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook directly with your video preloaded and ready to post. This can save you time and simplify the process. If you don't see these options, no problem. You can always upload your video manually. Open your preferred platform, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or another app. Once you're in the app, look for the Upload or Post button. It's usually easy to find on the main screen. Select your newly exported video file from your device and follow the platform's posting process. Most apps will let you add captions, hashtags, and even a thumbnail image to your post. These extra details are essential to help your video reach and engage your audience, so don't skip over them. Take a moment to refine the text, choose relevant hashtags, and pick an eye-catching thumbnail. And that's it. You've successfully taken your project from final edits in CapCut to sharing it with the world. By following these steps, you can ensure your video looks polished and professional every time. If you have any questions about CapCut or ideas for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.